Lady Elaine at your service. The following Purple Crown tutorial is one in a series on the lesser-known dynamic array functions introduced in Excel subsequent to the original 8. In this series, Harold will address each function thoroughly. He will show how to use them, including all arguments, demonstrate how they are dynamic and update automatically, and show how to use them in formulas and as references.
Thanks, Elaine, and hello, everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the dynamic array function reduce. Reduce is another of the lambda helpers. It's used in conjunction with the lambda. I've discussed creation, naming, and storing of lambdas in some of my other videos on dynamic array functions. If you'd like to check them out on my channel, that'd be great. Today I'll just use lambda in conjunction with the reduce function. Reduce is a simple array function, yet very powerful. What reduce does is takes an array, applies the lambda function to it, and reduces it to a single value. Let me show you how it's done. I were to type equals reduce. The first argument is where you want it to start. I'd like it to start with 0. Second argument is your array. So I'll select this array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you want to apply a function, a lambda function to that array. So we'll just say lambda a comma b, and then a plus b. And close again. Looks good. Check. 21. That is the sum of 1 and 2 is 3 and 3 is 6 and 4 is 10 and 5 is 15 and 6 is 21. Reduce took this array, added it up, and it gave me a single value. Now, the reason I said it's a lot more powerful is when you combine it with an if statement, you can add values in an array based on a condition. You don't have to do an if for each column and sum across. You could just do it all at once. Now, here's a 2-column, 3-row table, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's a simple example. This table could be 100 by 100, 1,000 by 1,000. Doesn't matter. Reduce will still work. So we could do this. Equals, let's say we wanted to find the sum of all the values in this table greater than 10. This could be mixed numbers. They don't have to be in order like this. We would say equals reduce. Our initial value is 0. Our array is going to be the 6 numbers. And the function will be something like lambda a comma b. Then if b in parentheses is greater than 10, I want to add a plus b, and if not, a. Close, close, close. Okay. 90. Let's check our math. 15 and 25 is 40, and 20 is 60, and 30 is 90. I have applied a function to a whole array, not just a row or a column, an if function. That's very powerful. You can imagine if it's a giant table, someone asks you to do a sum if, count if, max if, min if on it, use your reduce function. That's our lesson for today. Thanks for watching. Back to Elaine.
My most sincere thanks for watching this Purple Crown dynamic array tutorial. If you liked it, like it. And of course subscribe. Until tomorrow, fare thee well.